When you want to visualize two measures that have very different scales, such as revenue and units, a combination chart that shows a line and a bar with different axis scales is really useful. Power BI supports a couple of different types of these, but let's add a stacked line and column chart. When I insert one of these, you can see in this fields area, I have a few different options for our shared axis, that's the shared x-axis, and then the values we're going to show for columns and lines, and I can actually split the column up as well. Let's start adding some fields to this. So for my revenue, I'm going to show those as columns. I'm going to show my unit sales as a line, and my shared axis is going to be our years. So now you can see it's built up that visualization. My columns are the revenue, and you can see that's a scale in the billions. My unit sales, which is represented by the line here, is only in millions. When I hover over these elements, you get to see both of those sets of information. And I can do some more formatting options on this as well. Behind that paintbrush, I've got control over the axes, I've got control over the colors and the labels, etc. As I said, the other thing I can do is actually split up these columns as well. And that's what that column series area is for. So if I wanted to, for example, come in and split that down by the categories, when I drag that one on, you can see now each of these columns is split up, and I can identify that it's the urban category that's contributing most to our revenue sales across the last couple of years. So it's a really simple way and very effective way of visualizing multiple measures that have very different scales on a single visualization.